Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 19th May. Let's start. In the year of 1521, on this day Usmani army takes over Yugoslavia's capital Belgrade in the Balkan Peninsula after a fierce battle. In the year of 1536, on this day Anne Boleyn, second wife of King Henry VIII of England and mother of Queen Elizabeth I, was put to death after being convicted to adultery. In the year of 1892, on this day, noted playwright and poet Oscar Wilde is released from prison after a 2-year sentence. He was sentenced for the crime of homosexuality. Homosexuality was illegal in Britain at the time. In the year of 1904, on this day, Jamsetji Tata, the founder of the Tata Group, one of the first industrialists of India, died. In the year of 1910, on this day, Nathuram Godse was born. In history, his name is recorded as the murderer of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. In the year of 1913, on this day, Neelam Sanjeev Reddy was born, who became the sixth president of India. In the year of 1934, on this day, Ruskin Bond, the famous Indian writer of English language, was born. In the year of 1936, on this day, British inventor Robert Watson Watt built the radar and the system was first installed at a UK airport. In the year of 1950, on this day, Egypt announces closure of the Suez Canal for Israeli ships. In the year of 1971, on this day, India's Navy first submarine base Bir Bahu started in the Visakhapatnam. In the year of in the year of 1979, top Hindi literature Hazare Prasad Dwivedi died. In the year of 1980, on this day, 9 people died in the Helena volcano erupting in America. In the northwestern part of the country, darkness occurred after this incident, which occurred in the morning. Many people also went missing in the incident. In the year of 1996, on this day, famous Tamil actress and former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Janaki Ramachandran passed away. In the year of 2001, on this day, Apple Inc. opens its first two retail stores. One of them opened in McLean, Virginia, and the other in Glendale, California. In the year of 2008, on this day, Indian playwright and theatregoer Vijay Tendulkar passed away. In the year of 2008, on this day, trade resumes between India and China from Nathula. In the year of 2009, on this day, Sri Lanka announces victory in its 25-year war against the terrorist organization Liberation Tigers of Tamil. In the year of 2015, on this day, Britain's inflation is negative for the first time since 1960. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Kalapani-Lipu Lake dispute arose after the Nepal cabinet approved a new political map showing the Kalapani, Lipu Lake and Limpiadura regions as their territory. Kalapani is one of the major causes of the Indo-Nepal border dispute as well as the Lipu Lake Pass. In the year of 2020, on this day, the United Kingdom unveils a new post-Brexit tariff regime, replacing the EU external tariffs. The new tax regime will continue the 10% tariff on cars but will cut tariffs on various supply chain products. That's all. Thanks for watching.